This particular job offer which we are looking at today is offered by Chameleon, and I believe as you can see from my screen, you can see we are currently on the Chameleon website. We are not going to be going deep into what Chameleon has to offer, so as not to waste time in this video. So we won't actually be reading or through what is being done in Chameleon, or what Chameleon, the company called Chameleon, what they have to offer. But if we scroll right down to the bottom of their page, it gets us when we click on this particular place here on their jobs, then we get to see what job they're actually offering right now. And this takes us to the second page, which leads us to all the job offer which they are currently giving us right now. When we scroll down a little bit, then we see the open role where we can see the second product design, technical customer success manager, product manager, senior front-end engineer, and mid-market account executive. So that is that. Here they also have about our company in which you can actually read about. In case you are new on this channel, my name is Akere, and welcome back to the channel. And today we are looking at a remote job which has a very interesting offer when it comes to remote job. With the fact they are going to be giving you your home office package to set up your home office equipment. This is really good, and this is why I'm actually bringing this job offer to you. So when you scroll down, actually you see everything about the company, and when you click on the particular job we are looking at today, the particular one we are actually looking at today, which is the second product designer, which is the one we are looking at. If you are interested in any of these other 4 jobs, you can actually check them out, but we are actually looking at the second product offer. Now we're on the second product offer. You can see it stays here, it's still open. So if you're interested in that offer, you can actually go for it. So they have the highlights here. We are not going to be reading all through this. Reading all through this is really going to take time, which will make this video a little bit longer, but the links are going to be provided for you on the description, so you have really nothing to worry about. Just go to the description, click on the link, and check them out and read them all through again all by yourself. And this will give you more insights of what the job is actually about. But one thing that is interesting about this job on the highlights is that the salary range for this role is 90k to 160 USD annually, which actually made me to do the calculation of dividing 90k by 12, which gave us almost approximately 7,500 per month. It might be higher than that, but that is just my little rough estimate. So here you see the take me to the application. But before we jump to take me to the application, let's also look at some other things. They have this reason why you should be joining up. They have this video intro which you can actually look at, that tells you about the company, so you can take your time to watch that also before you apply for these jobs. Actually, what's your day-to-day, what you are going to be doing in the company, owning projects, head-to-head through our design projects, reviewing, discussing, and all this creative framework, conducting, blah blah blah. Everything is there for you to read, so you take your time to read all this through and through. Your skills and experience, which is what really matters in this job. 4+ years full-time product design experience as a SaaS startup, preferably 50 employee, system-centric approach to design, great and independence research, seek feedback and ready to iterate and experiment quickly, organized, detail-oriented, and able to manage multiple products simultaneously. So these are what they actually which they actually require. For proficiency in Figma or similar to Figma is actually interesting. I've been using Figma for more than 6 years right now. Figma application for 6 years, and it's really a great design too. If you've not worked with Figma, you should check it out. Just download this. So their requirements are here. You have a fully functioning workstation and a quiet place to work, because it's a remote job. You don't really have to be in their location. You are in an America or the European time zone. All these are listed there. If you are not living in the time zone, we can't consider it regardless of blah blah blah. This will be a full-time job. You have to have good English skills and everything. So the key benefits for this job is also listed: a competitive salary and early stage high quality standard feedback and regular feedback buzzing, so help you grow quickly, flexible work job hours, and new Macbook and 1,000 budgets for your home office equipment. So they are going to be giving you up to 1,000 to set up your home office equipment. That is everything you need to set up your home office equipment, so you can work so you can work actively. Yeah, they're going to be giving you the allowance for books and other personal learning resources, allowance for mindfulness and meditation app subscription. Work with some of the best products people in the world as customers. So they have all these as benefits in which they are going to be giving to you. Take your time to read them. The link we provided in the description. What to expect, everything are here. And when you click here, it takes you to where you can actually apply for the job. So you start your application from here when you click there. So before we actually end this video, you know I always love to take you to Trustpilot to show you what people are actually saying about this company. You can see here they are rated 4.1 star on Trustpilot, and you can see what people have to say about them here. Customer friendly. We have been using Notion for a while. Yeah, great suit, blah, blah blah, amazing platform. So they have all this here. So this is what people are actually saying about them on Trustpilot, and you know I always love to check it, to check the genuineness of this particular company. So this is it. So in case you are not just interested in just second product designer, you can also go back to their open jobs, to the other ones. I told you the link we provided, and you can also check them out. They have this customer success manager, which you can also check out. So all these are also here. So if you love what I do on this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe and the like button. Also share this video with all others. So this is just what I want to bring to you today. If you're interested, jump onto it. The fact that they are going to be offering you your home office equipment setup is really a great one. That means you can work from anywhere you are. Yeah, so that's all for this video. Until I see you again on the next one. My name is Akere, and you know what, bye for now. Ciao.